No, go for it. Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. Did you see the little piggy over there? No, it's a video.
That's 4 tickets. You need
Get
to get
back
4
there?
tickets, yeah. Hey, go pet the other goats there. Look at that one.
Look at that black goat, Pia.
Sophia.
Look at that black goat.
Sophia.
Where are we? So where are we at? Where are we at?
We're at Underwood Family Farms.
Oh, okay. It's like Disneyland for...
It's like Disneyland with the animals.
The animals?
Look at that one right there underneath Pia. Go pet the baby, it's right there. Look at. Aww. Look at that one. That one looks like Cherry.
It's itching.
Look, where's the